luxury timepiece begins with carefully certified raw materials. Each shipment is digitally inspected before production can begin. Only flawless materials are approved for presidential-grade craftsmanship. Every component receives a complete quality verification. Pure rose gold is melted under tightly controlled temperatures. The alloy must remain perfectly uniform for precision machining. The molten alloy is transformed into perfectly shaped billets. Controlled cooling prevents microscopic imperfections. Advanced CNC systems carve the iconic octagonal profile. Every cut follows micron-level digital accuracy. The watch case receives its final precision dimensions. Every internal surface must meet exact tolerances. Laser inspection verifies every microscopic dimension. Only perfectly machined cases continue forward. Each surface receives its signature brushed finish. Master polishers preserve every sharp architectural line. Mirror polishing highlights the luxury craftsmanship. Every finish is completed entirely by hand. Ultrasonic cleaning removes every invisible particle. A pristine case is essential before assembly. The heart of the watch arrives in hundreds of precision parts. Every component is individually organized. Ultra-thin movement plates require extraordinary precision. Even microscopic errors are unacceptable. Microscopic jewel seats are drilled with incredible accuracy. These bearings minimize friction inside the movement. Synthetic ruby bearings reduce wear for decades. Each jewel is installed with micron precision. The intricate gear train forms the mechanical heart of the watch. Each wheel is positioned entirely by hand for flawless performance. The mainspring stores the energy that drives the entire watch. Even the smallest tension variation affects timekeeping accuracy. The sealed barrel ensures stable energy release. Precision calibration guarantees consistent performance. Energy begins flowing through the gear train. Each wheel transfers motion with perfect synchronization. The escapement controls the release of energy. This mechanism defines the rhythm of time. The balance wheel regulates time with precision oscillation. Every vibration defines the watch's accuracy. The hairspring ensures perfect oscillation timing. Calibration defines the watch's precision standard. The movement undergoes rigorous timing validation. Only certified precision enters final assembly. The dial begins as a raw brass disc. Laser precision defines its structure. The dial receives its signature luxury finish. Every layer is applied in a dust-free environment. Each index marker defines visual symmetry. Precision placement is essential for luxury aesthetics. The hands are crafted from pure rose gold sheets. Each edge is polished to perfection. Sapphire crystals offer near-perfect transparency. Only diamond tools can shape them. Polishing achieves flawless optical clarity. Every imperfection is removed at microscopic level. The sapphire crystal is tested for absolute clarity. Only perfect crystals enter final assembly. The heart of the watch is now placed inside its rose gold body. Alignment must remain perfect at microscopic tolerance. Each screw ensures long-term mechanical stability. Torque calibration prevents microshift errors. The dial brings visual identity to the mechanical core. Perfect alignment ensures flawless readability. The hands are positioned with micron-level precision. Each hand must rotate without friction. The mechanism comes alive for the first time. Smooth motion confirms perfect assembly. The sapphire crystal protects the delicate interior. Every seal ensures long-term durability. Pressure sealing ensures complete waterproof protection. Every gasket is placed with surgical precision. Each watch undergoes strict pressure testing. Even microscopic leaks are unacceptable. The bracelet begins as solid rose gold blocks. Each link is engineered for perfect articulation. Dual finishing creates signature luxury contrast. Every link reflects light in controlled patterns. Each link must move with fluid precision. Flexibility ensures perfect wrist comfort. The bracelet becomes part of the watch identity. Alignment ensures visual perfection. Final polishing reveals pure luxury craftsmanship. Every surface is perfected by hand. Each watch carries a unique identity code. Engraving confirms authenticity and exclusivity. The watch undergoes its final certification process. Only perfection is approved for delivery. The completed masterpiece enters its final presentation stage. Every detail is handled in a dust-free environment. The presentation box reflects presidential exclusivity, designed to match the prestige of the timepiece. The watch rests perfectly in its custom-crafted cradle. Every angle reflects precision and luxury. The timepiece is now sealed within presidential luxury. Protection and prestige are unified. Every watch includes official certification documents. Protection extends beyond luxury to global transport safety. Each timepiece is digitally authenticated. Security ensures absolute originality. The finished product enters secure global logistics. Every movement is tracked in real time.
Security escort ensures safe global delivery. Precision craftsmanship deserves protected transport.
The journey to global destinations begins. Every shipment is handled with diplomatic-level security.
The masterpiece begins its global journey. Luxury crafted in precision, delivered worldwide.
The final reveal highlights unmatched craftsmanship, a symbol of precision and prestige.
Every surface reflects master-level finishing. Time becomes a visual experience.
The watch completes its journey from factory to wrist. Precision engineering meets personal expression.
A masterpiece of engineering and elegance. Time, perfected in rose gold. From raw materials to presidential perfection, a timeless symbol of luxury engineering.